In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dimensions in the Z-axis in AutoCAD 3D. By default, AutoCAD dimensions are created in the current UCS plane, which can make it difficult to measure vertical distances accurately. To dimension along the Z-axis, start by typing UCS in the command line and press Enter. Next, type face and press Enter again. Select the face of the 3D object where you want to place the dimension. This aligns the user coordinate system with that surface. Once the UCS is aligned, use your preferred dimension command to create the dimension. AutoCAD will now measure distances relative to the new UCS orientation, allowing you to accurately dimension along the Z-axis. After finishing your dimensions, restore the default coordinate system by typing UCS, pressing Enter, typing world, and pressing Enter again. This returns the UCS to its standard orientation for normal drawing operations. Using this method makes dimensioning 3D objects much easier and ensures accurate measurements throughout your model. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.